Seasonal business? Off-season ba talaga ang off-season? How can we make seasonal business work year-round? Anak, dati akala ko pag seasonal business, seasonal din ang work ethic. Peak season lang to do work. Tapos off-season, pahinga muna. Normal lang daw yun, di ba? Parang roller coaster ang business namin noon. Todo kayod kung peak season, tapos todo tiis naman after. Kaya kulang ang sales na pang sweldo, kaya cash flow problems, idle equipment, staff retention issues, lahat yan na-experience namin sa iba't ibang mga businesses namin. Until nakausap ko ang isang mentor ng friend ko na successful seasonal business owner. Sabi niya, there's no such thing as off-season. It's planning and preparation season. Kaya alam mo na, game changer yung mindset na yon. Ngayon, iba na ang approach namin. Pag peak season, todo focus kami sa benta, sa operations at saka sa sales. Pag off-season naman, todo focus kami sa planning at sa systems improvement. Year-round, focus naman kami sa marketing at relationship building. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Sa mga quiet moments, dyan namin ginagawa ang staff training at product development. Ang lesson dito ay seasonal business does not mean seasonal success. Remember, planning and proper management can make your seasonal business work all year. That's how to be business-minded Pinoy.